So Carhartt had this dream that only their friends from Guinness could actually make happen. The idea? Let's brew a beer to honor the hardworking people. Guinness said great, so they brewed one and Carhartt named it the Labor Day Lager. Boom. Tasty. Then they dedicated the beer and all of the profits from it to Team Rubicon, a veteran-led disaster relief organization. These are the brave men and women who run in to fix the world while the rest of us run for cover. And then they brought me in. I'm Jimmy DiResta. I designed and built these 3 bars. Bars tough enough to go into any rugged corner Team Rubicon needs to go. Because at the end of a hard day's work, on Labor Day and every day, if you're wearing Carhartt, you deserve a Guinness. Happy Labor Day.